Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Peacock TV on LG TV. Turn on your LG TV first, press the power button on your remote and wait for the TV to load. After that, press the home button on your LG remote. This opens the Web OS menu at the bottom of your screen. Scroll through the app and select LG Content Store. This is LG's App Store. Select the search icon, type Peacock TV and choose it from the result. After that, select Install. Wait for the app to be downloaded and installed. Once installed, select app. You can also find Peacock later in your app list. Choose sign up if you are already have an account, or choose sign on in if you are new, and follow the on-screen steps. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.